Naruto here for another toy review. Right now I'm in the living room, so it's kind of now a little echoey. Sorry for not making videos because I'm busy with school and yeah. So yeah, as you guys can see, we're doing the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers toy review, the Megazord, the Disney one. It's pretty cool that Disney remake these. That we collectors, we can get them again. Yeah, love this other Zord, it's cool and stuff, yeah. So yeah, let's put these guys on the other side. Take this guy, and I'm going to use the box. Okay, the box is greenish. See the Fire Rangers head and the logo, the Zords. And the Megazord here. On this side, they teach you where the Zords go. So yeah. Here. And these other stuff that combines with it. I just really hate this. What Disney did here. Here's the 5 figures. The figures are like this small. Yep. But these are like very small. Yeah. These are the other items. I think they're gun and slash short thingy, and a dragon dagger here. So yeah. So yeah. Let's go ahead and start with T-Rex. Okay, this is what Disney really cool is that they let you do your own stickers. So they put this. I had to put the sticker here, here, and inside, and there, and there, and there. So yeah, his arms can bend back and put it forward. His mouth can open up. Or, yeah. That's going to show you you'll blast in the ground. And, so yeah. This guy's good. Now this is the Blue Ranger Zord. He doesn't really do much, but the original toy back then, he was okay, I think. Yeah, I gotta do these stickers here. I think there's like the sticker here, this side, and in there. It's kind of crooked. Yeah, I'm not good of a good sticker person. Hey, the mammoth. The mammoth came with all the sticker. It was on him already. It was like perfect. So yeah, I didn't need to do anything on this guy. So it was good. And oops, not this one. The Yellow Rangers. See here, I gotta do this sticker here in the front and the side here and inside. Just a little bit crooked. And the teeth, the things here does come off, but I want to. It bends back. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and put it into the tank mode. These guys just a little bit. Right, the Red Ranger, all you do is here, his tail up, and like that. So put him to the side for a little bit. And this guy back, please leave him to the side. Now it's kind of a bit of torture, but take this guy's head off. Open this up, put these these up. Do it like this. There's these clips here and that thing here, so you just clip it on. So it goes here. And the tail clips on right there. So that. Oh, and the head goes on. There's that little hole right there. You guys can see it. And there's like this peg in here. Like shove it in. So yeah. Like that. Blue Ranger, he's done already. All he does is just put this guy in. So yeah. So yeah, all you do is just clip this guy. There's like a hole here, and there's a thing here. So there. The Yellow Rangers. That's what you do. And there. There you go. Just grab this guy and clip on. Alright. Now, just open the guy's mouth. Alright, now I turn this back. Now, the Pink Rangers. It's kind of difficult sometimes, but get used to it. Take these things off. There's these things here, so you can clip it on there. Yeah, so you just, yeah, it doesn't matter really where the sheet goes. Yeah. Alright, just put these things here. These are the cannons that you know, see in the show, and it shoots out the fire. So there you go. You got the Megazord in tank mode. Yep. You can't really see the Pink Rangers, so you have to put them up here. So yeah. So yeah, yeah, that was my computer. If you guys heard that, I just turned into the Megazord. Take the Pink Rangers off for a little bit. Go ahead and fold her. Like that. These guys, well, close his head. Rip this guy's head off. See that guy later. Put the things in arms. So, like what they did in the show. Go boom. And boom. Huge now. So yeah, let me get back a little bit. See if I can do this. Because the thing that's holding the camera up is it's a bunch of big old tapes. So yeah, move this down. Bring it up a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. Difficulties. Put his arm down. He's up. This guy, put these guys down. And lift this guy's head up. And then put this guy's head down. Put his head up. And this clips on there. There we go. And these guys go in the back here. These little tab thingy. Oops. There. The sword. Okay, you guys remember this? Lift the hands up. Guys in here. And sword there. So yeah. Can you see that? The guy is pretty huge for my small digital camera. So yeah. He's pretty okay, you know, thing. But I thought I heard that they made a Dragon Zord too. I'm trying to look for the guy, see if you guys have it. Tell me and I might buy it off of you guys, so yeah. So yeah, see you guys. So my next review is on the Dragon Dagger. So yeah, see you guys later, so remember to subscribe, rate, and comment. So yeah, bye guys.